Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Cold sores. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of lemon balm extract, 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 3 drops of peppermint oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix the lemon balm extract, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil with the coconut oil well. Ensure it is all mixed thoroughly. Place the mixture into an airtight glass container or small jar with a lid. It can be kept at room temperature or in the fridge for added cooling. So how to use it? Ensure that you wash your hands before and after each use. Apply a small amount directly to the cold sore. You can apply this up to 3 times daily until the cold sore begins to disappear. It works best to begin to apply it at a first sign of tingling or bump formation. The interesting part. So how does it all work? Tea tree oil contains terpenin 4-ol, known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, which help to kill bacteria and viruses, as well as drying out the cold sore and promoting faster healing. Lemon balm extract contains rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, which help reduce the replication of the herpes virus due to its antiviral properties. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which have also been shown to have antiviral properties, and peppermint oil contains menthol, which is found to exhibit antiviral actions specifically against herpes simplex virus at the skin's surface. The 4 of these combined create a powerful aid to heal cold sores and prevent them from popping up again in the future. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for new content added daily.